Good morning, dears. We have started lesson air and water pollution, and we have discussed about air pollution and pollutants also. And today we are going to discuss what are the harmful effects of this air pollution. The harmful effect of air pollutions are greenhouse effect and global warming. We know that sun's rays warm the earth's surface. A part of the radiation that falls on the earth is absorbed by it and a part is reflected back into space. A part of the reflected radiation is trapped by the atmosphere and this trapped radiation further warm the earth. You have seen a greenhouse in a nursery. This greenhouse allows sun's heat to get in but is not allowed to go out. And this trapped heat warms that greenhouse. The trapping of radiations by the Earth's atmosphere is similar. That is why it is called the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide is one of the greenhouse gases. Water vapor, nitrous oxide and methane are other greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases trap heat and light from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere, and this in turn increases the temperature and causes global warming. So let us discuss about global warming. Global warming is the process when the earth heats up and the temperature rises. This happens when there is increase in the production of gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide and methane. These gases we have already discussed as greenhouse gases. So these greenhouse gases trap heat and light from the sun in the earth's atmosphere, and this in turn increases the temperature and causes global warming. Global warming can cause sea levels to rise dramatically. In many places, coastal areas have already been flooded, and this global warming could result in wide-ranging effects on rainfall patterns, agriculture, forest, plants, and animals. So, how can we reduce air pollution? We can reduce air pollution by planting more trees, using electric vehicles, using environment-friendly vehicles, and using alternate sources of energy. These are the some measures to reduce air pollution. There are many success stories in our fight against air pollution. For example, a few years ago, Delhi was one of the most polluted cities in the world, and it was being choked by fumes released from automobiles running on diesel and petrol. But a decision was taken to switch to fuels like CNG and unleaded petrol. So my dear students, we have completed air pollution. So read the textbook well and underline important points. Okay, thank you.